Now, I would recommend you getting this if you have a small collection of sneakers. Say if you have probably about, 10 to 20 pairs of shoes, or even under that. I think this is a great option for you because, you want to use this as a display piece to show off your collection. So this is my display of my sneakers. Obviously, it would be a lot different if this was yours because I make YouTube videos and this is my YouTube chair. So, this takes up like so much space. I get all the questions about this. These shelves are from IKEA. They go for about 50 bucks. A lot of people, is that expensive? It's not too bad. You're getting a $50 shelf that holds 7 sneakers on each shelf. Now, granted, this is called the IKEA Lack Wall Shelf. So it's not, I don't know if it's really meant to display sneakers, but I think Sneaker YouTube kind of just, I don't know who's the first person to do it, but someone grabbed onto these and it's been spreading like wildfire. I have 1, 2, 3, and then I have one way in the corner over there. That's way too much for me. This isn't really a great way to say if you have like upwards of 25 to like 30 plus sneakers. You're gonna have a bunch of these and this will take up a lot of space. In that recommendation, I would go more of a drop front box. And now those you can find at, I believe, at the Container Store. Those run roughly about, I think it's like 10 to 12 bucks per unit. And I think the units come in like 2 or 3. But those, again, when you get the drop front boxes, the shoes are tucked in, so you can't really display it. So if you have like maybe 10 pairs, and say if you have like, Yeezys or Off-Whites, and you really want to show off like to people, like in your office or even in your bedroom, to be like a conversation piece, then, this is the way to go. Because people can see it, people will come by and be like, oh, what are those? Those are nice. What are those about? And then you can, it's a conversation starter. The negative side of having stuff like this, like a display like this, is that, you walk outside with your shoes, you put them on here, your shoes are dirty as hell. So you're constantly cleaning this. There's dirt on the shelf, and that's just gross. If you don't wear them and you just want to display them as like a collection, say you have like a shoe that's worth like $1,000 plus and you don't wear it, then that's fine. But I wear my shoes, so I always have to make sure I clean them and then I put them up on here. Another negative thing about these shelves is that they're a dust collector. Now, as a guy, I'm not big into cleaning, but it's what I have to do. I live on my own. So I'm constantly cleaning. I'm constantly cleaning the dust, taking them down, sweeping them off. I'll probably end up switching the backdrop eventually, but I really like the way it looks right now. And then, like, depending on the videos, I can switch it up. So if it's an Adidas video, I put my Adidas sneakers, all my Adidas sneakers in the video. If it's a Nike video, I change it, so forth. Yeezy video, it's all Yeezys in the backdrop. Pretty sure you guys have caught the gist of that when you watch my videos. But I kind of just want to make this quick video. Let me know how you guys display your sneakers, if you even bother to do it. I'll put all the links to like the displays that I recommend down in the description. But guys, I appreciate you guys watching as always. If you did enjoy this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!